exposing the secret to a clutter-free desktop. File Maestro is here to save the day. Picture this: your downloads folder, your desktop, your entire file system, all neatly organized without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Say hello to File Maestro, the ultimate Windows tool to tame your digital chaos. With File Maestro, you just set up the rules, and it does the rest. Need all your invoices in one place? Done. Want those ancient screenshots gone? Easy. It can monitor multiple folders, check file attributes like names, types, and dates, and perform actions like moving, copying, renaming, tagging, and deleting files. All this magic happens right from your system tray. And the best part? You can give it a whirl for free, with our 7-day trial. So, why wait? Grab File Maestro for just $4.99 on the Microsoft Store, and take control of your digital life. Link in the description. Happy organizing!